Whew. All right, done. I'm happy with the result. Everything went well, and fortunately the owner is happy too. And they moved in and set up a beautiful house, and as you can see, we've done a lot of work in this house from A to Z, everything outside, inside, from the top to bottom. All the bathrooms, kitchen, everything is renovated. For example, this old brick layered fireplace turned to this beautiful, more modern design fireplace, but we kept it the same wood burning fireplace to give it a little bit character. And over here, as you see, there was a load bearing wall, and if I don't want to make it too boring for you, just look at the beautiful white ceiling. The ceiling is, we use the metal beam which is hidden in the ceiling, and footing down the stairs, you will see that later. And I can show you the kitchen, and this kitchen was designed with a little bit different and older design cabinets. They prefer to change everything, and fortunately it turned very beautiful with the new appliances, built-in microwave and oven, and the cooktop, and the slow closing with the doors with the dampers, and we use the same material for the backsplash, and you know, to flow the colors and the better quality. And on this side we removed a few smaller walls, and the French door which was dividing the dining and the living area, and few pot lights and electrical works here. And the most important thing here was this window, bigger panoramic view window, and which is giving more light to the room and better view, and it doesn't feel congested as before. We kept the foyer as it was, but we changed the entrance door with the beautiful fiberglass, energy saving triple layer windows, and we used the more trendy size and fashionable floor covering, which is porcelain. It doesn't need the maintenance, nothing. In that side we have a beautiful powder room. We added a door directly to the back of the garage, especially for the winter time. It's so useful. Yeah, as I was saying, since they were happy with upstairs, they decided to continue downstairs and finish the unfinished basement, which is the biggest space. They added to the, as an entertainment area or something. And they can invite a lot of people, and this area, as you see, it's all finished, and we added a small bar here, and we put one storage over there, and a little bit more space for sitting area. And this area actually needs a nice bathroom. Then we decided to put another bathroom close to the exit door over there. Here is a basement bathroom. It's a full bathroom with a beautiful matte finish floor, and a glossy finish on the wall, same tile, different size, and beautiful door as you see here. It's an odd shape, but it's specially made for this purpose. And beautiful wall mount cabinet, which is slow closing and nice. And yeah, actually they have 3 more bathroom in the house, and we renovated a couple of them upstairs, which I show you. It has a beautiful big stand-up shower with a double sink and everything. You will see that. Yeah, and actually in this area we built a bedroom over here and a small sitting area, which I like. It is very cozy. Yeah, I was talking to you about this bathroom, and it's a beautiful stand-up shower with a slider door, and over here we have a double sink with the shiny finish cabinets, beautiful, and as I said, matte finish porcelain tile for the floor. Don't forget it, never use the shiny finish.
Why?
Because it's slippery. But for the wall, on the contrary, definitely go with the shiny finish. It's easy to clean up. And this is actually the smallest bedroom they had. They prefer to turn it to an office. And beside this, there's a guest room. The second bedroom here. All the doors, trim work, baseboards, they're all new, and doorknobs, and we have smoothed the ceiling. And it was a popcorn. And same thing over here, we added a few pot lights here. And this is another bedroom. Same thing, brand new floor, fresh paint. And as an accent wall, they did go with a different color over here. Master bedroom, same double sink and stand-up shower bathroom over here. They have a walk-in closet here. They prefer to go with a little bit more traditional, and we went with the swing door and the basin over here, and and the tiling inside the shower up to ceiling, and over here his and her the sinks. We've been in the business for the last 15 years, and we have done a lot of work with homeowners, designers, and builders. For example, this house is one of our projects. We do bathroom renovation, basement finishing, and kitchen remodeling, removing the even load-bearing wall. We have a team of the engineers. We have master electricians, plumbers, and the owner and me. Everybody is happy with it. Basement up to second floor, everything brand new.
Yeah, we are so happy. Yeah.
Okay. Well, the company Pyramid know their job, so we gave them a budget, and then they followed it. They didn't go over. I really like that factor. Plus, they know how to manage the time. When we give them a certain amount of time to finish the job, they do it nice and clean. This is the most important part. And also, they do it in the right time and finish even earlier than what we expected to be finished at.
We want to say thank you to Pyramid. Ali did a perfect job for us. He met all of our expectations, and we recommend Pyramid to all of you.
We also offer a wide range of the products in our showroom. We can help you with your next small or big renovation project.